Let's see here. I downloaded that data stick into this, so let's see what's going on. Note about how to get oxygen and hydrogen. Kinda already know that. Yeah. So oxygen is produced directly from Mars soil and Mars rock or by breaking CO2. Large materials finally is required to get oxygen Mars soil or Mars rock. Okay. Yeah, I know that. Alright, let's see here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Any audio? Never any audio. Let's see here. I'm gonna take a selfie. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Even the ceiling has wood. Oh man. Starting to hate wood now. Alright. Went and got some sleep. I'm ready to go. Still dark outside though. Alright, so we gotta perform initial sampling of Mars rock and soil to evaluate mineralogical yield of surrounding areas. Look around the storage compartment of the MAV-1 and drill and soil tools. Okay, I know exactly what that means. Okay. So we're gonna head out and do some sampling. So, got my food and water, got my drill. I'm gonna leave that pad on the table though. It's just gonna be useless. What? I'm good. Well, I already ate. But save it for me. Yep, leave it right there, and I'll get right to it. And was that my same suit? No, it was that one. Okay. So, let's see, I need sampling tools. Oh boy, I don't think I have room for everything. And let's put you there. And, oh boy. Arm here. Oh man, you guys gotta see this. Oh, it's being so cute. And then I can. Okay, got a rock sampler, I believe. Do I need a bunch or what? Alright. Sample. Analyze. Success. Ready. Remove sample before lab case. Okay, what do I have here? Soil sampling tool. Okay. Okay. Analyze samples. Okay. What's this one? I'll put that aside. Alright, got me a gas sample. That wasn't too hard. Alright, gas sample. Analyze. Okay.
Good, now I should start with fuel production. Getting oxygen should be easy. I can get it directly from the Martian soil or rock. But hydrogen, that won't be that simple. I can either process it from the methane supplies, but I need that for running vehicles. Or I can get it from the water, but that's a scarce resource too. Well, looks like I'll have to split water extracted from the Martian soil along with the oxygen. The sooner I start, the sooner I can get out of here. I better make a note in my datapad so I can refer to it later. But I don't have the datapad with me. I think there was a data stick with resource diagrams in the laboratory. Lucky me.
Yeah, I already covered that. Okay, I think it only wants me to do a 4-panel version like this one here. You can see on the side it only has 4 panels, and then it has the outer, the outer walls. So I'm probably gonna have to go back a save and start all over again. So crap. Because I noticed I only have like so many barrels of that silly oxide. Hi, Gabby. And I was and at my current rate of building, the way I got it now, I'm probably gonna run out. So I'm gonna go back a save and start from scratch and make that one. Make that one right there. So love you too, Gabby. You had dinner. Hmm? Yeah. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Well, took a couple days off and came back, and I'm rebuilding the printer. And I think I'm doing pretty good. Brain doesn't want to work. Hold on. Alright. So I got the bottom mostly done, and now I'm going to start on the walls. Just to show you guys what I'm doing here. No. There we go. Pretty good, huh? Alright, see you in a bit. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Well, you came to me. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. What are you doing, Gabby? Huh? You getting in my way? Getting so I can't see the keyboard? Meow. Meow. Picking your nose on my stubble? What are you doing? Are you hungry again? What are you doing? Didn't I just feed you? Didn't I just feed you? Oh, come here. Come here. Give me some love. Give me some love. Meow. 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 Meow, meow, meow. Crap. Crap, please save. Oh, my game crashed when I was right in the middle of saving my progress. Oh, guys, I got a haircut. Finally, huh? Oh, man, I don't know if it saved. Damn it! Oh, wow. Okay. At least I have potatoes. But fuck. Oh. Oh man, I had that thing almost halfway complete, and I went to save progress and it crashed. Wow. That really sets me back. Oh man. Alright, last piece to the puzzle. Then I just gotta hook up power to it and get started. Alright, get up there. I probably gotta turn it around. Yeah. Alright, there she is. Followed that visual example. Kind of made an extra part by mistake. I thought I had something else selected. But there it is. Oh, and I'm trying out the mouse smoothing so it doesn't look so jerky. And so far, so good. Alright. Let's hook up the power to it. Come on, turn over, turn around. Yeah, the turning really sucks. Oh my god, that is horrible. That is really horrible. Horizontal. I'm going to turn that all the way up. Whoa. I think I got the wrong one. Horizontal, vertical. No, that's the right one. I'll try it this way. The controls in this game have always been really awkward. So... Oh yeah, horizontal's really sensitive on there. Alright, plug you in. Yeah, I gotta dumb it down. Alright. Oh, you know what? I got a save game. Oh, and I'm filming this in Windows mode or something where it just captures everything going on desktop because I've been having problems with the crashing. So I thought I'd play it safe here. Alright. So what we need to do now is figure out if it's big enough to make anything. Oh! Oh, crap! Oh, no, 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 no. I forgot one last piece. I'm an idiot. Oh, no. I forgot to make a panel. The console panel. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay. One last piece. Where is it? Oh, right. Yeah, the 3D core screen. Okay, so I need silicon and iron. Right, so I maximize this for window making. So my metal's over. No. So, is it really iron? Is like iron a different thing than iron? I'm so confused now. Alright, let's make that thing. Where are you? Right. Already selected. I don't know if I can see that. Yeah, it's right there. No way. Yeah, I see it. Right there. Huh. It's a tiny little moon, huh? Yeah. Earth's moon is way bigger. Earth's moon can beat up Mars's moon any day of the week. Yeah. I roll my turds into little balls and polish them and then sell them to China. Yeah. Okay, how's this thing fit on there? I think that means this goes that way. I think arrows mean down. Okay. Now, to get that damn power back on. I'm gonna eat that potato. I'm gonna do a Matt Damon. I'm gonna eat a potato. Yum, yum, yum. Matt Damon. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. How do I actually have to use the console? Mulligan? Don't look at me right now. Oh, crap. Come on. There. Get on there. No task in progress. Okay, we need machines. Alright. Low resources. Okay, so I can make the big one instead of the tiny one. There's a tiny one, but we want the big one. Alright, what else? What else do we need? Nah, I think we'll see. Alright, let's try and make 2 of these at least, just to make the process go faster. That was creepy. Almost got a sense of vertigo. Okay, Mr. 3D pointer thingy-majiggy, print me that. So I did make it big enough. Yay! We'll see. I might have to. I don't know if I have the ability to. So we got 1 power source. I don't know if we'll run 2 of these or not. I don't know if I'm meant to make 2 of these. I'm gonna try to make 2 of these. So I'm gonna save. You gotta knock everything over. Oh fuck, I gotta get that. Top you. Come here. Man. Not what I wanted. Come on, roll over. There, so I can see which one is which. Wow, okay, that's empty. Alright, I'm gonna replace some of these cans and come back. Oh, okay, yeah, it's too large. Way too large. What in the world is that? Oh, is that the same one? Yeah, it's the same small one. Alright, I'll make the small one and see how well it goes. Oh man, the sun's setting again. Yeah, whatever. Just get over here. Alright. Yeah, man, that horizontal's gotta go. Or no, yeah, fluid movement's gotta go. I can't take it anymore. Whoa, yes, yeah, that's gonna be dumbed down. Sorry about that. Okay, that's just gonna have to do for now. Okay. Because, man, I was really moving the mouse around trying to turn, and I just got sick of it. Don't get stuck. Okay, let's find a place for him. I want him nearby, so I don't have to run all the way out here. It's over here. Try that. Alright, next, cable and generator. Alright, let's plug you in, put the barrels in, and see what happens. Set it down gently. Alright. Alrighty. Turn on the outboard lights here. Alright, I'm going to bring that refinery over and do I have any outlets? Probably not. Oh, we don't have any outlets on this ship. So, alright, I'll just bring it over by the generator. Okay, the last thing I'll do for today is take off all the oxygen on this and put it inside. And then I'm gonna call it a day. You come with me. Oh boy, I should probably got that bucket. Yeah, should probably get that bucket. Get out of my way, goddammit. Alright, you stay there. That thing's got one left. That's comical. That is a bit comical. Alright, just get in there. I don't care how. Now, do I film it on the inside or outside? I think it's check. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh boy. You know what? Yeah, that's stuck. Okay, that's not gonna work. What in the world? Door unlocked. Yeah, I know that. Oh, that was weird. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's borked out on me. I can't touch it. I can't manipulate it. What the hell? Man, this is bullshit. Oh, those are lights. You've got to be kidding me. Really? When in doubt, do the swirl. Huh. Am I out of water? Nope. Okay. Well, shit. Save that there. Then I'll leave and come back. Yeah, I was just there making that. Oh, this thing's taking screenshots of whatever I'm doing. It's spying on me. Damn thing's spying on me. There it goes. Let's figure out where to put these. There's the oxygen, but how do I access it? Can you tell me it really was under the ship? Or something? What the hell's going on? Hold on. You go over there. Let me figure this shit out. How the hell do you access it? I'm betting it's underneath. I'm gonna go check outside again. I'm betting it's underneath. Come on, floppy. Let's go. Just gonna put that right there. Alright, I'm seeing hinges here. So, I see now. I see. Aha! What? There was a buggy in there? And it's stuck. This thing comes with a buggy? I didn't know that. I had no idea. Oh my god. Looks like it's ready to go too. I think so, yeah. So there's the nozzles, okay. Yeah, okay. Right, let me see if I can... I have to drag this thing out. Yeah, okay. Come on. access that wheel or seat. Oh. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now, where did I put that thing in? Ah. Yeah. Bump, bump, bump. Bumpity, bump, bump, bump. Bump, 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 bump. Okay, that makes everything so much easier. Shit. It won't go in. Maybe that one. Right. I'm dumb. Alright. I want to put the rest of the oxygen in these tanks, and then I'm going to grind and get the Mars soil and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next part.